Welcome to part 4 of CapriPay App tutorial. Here, we will learn how to create different types of orders using the CapriPay mobile application. First, let's start by covering some of the basics. Only verified merchants have access to creating manual orders. An order becomes completed as soon as the CapriCoin amount is transferred by the customer. There are 3 types of orders: CapriCoin orders that are paid in CapriCoins, cash orders that are paid partly in CapriCoins and partly in cash, and new customer orders that are paid in cash and allow new customers to receive cash back without having a CapriPay account. To create a CapriCoin order, first go to the home screen of the app, press the Receive button, and select Merchant Account. To create a CapriCoin order, choose the first option. Here you can enter the total amount in CapriCoins. Additional fields, order description, and reference number are optional, but we do suggest to include a short overall description of the order. To create the order, simply press the Create Order button. Once the order is created, it's best to double-check all of the details before sharing the order QR code with the customer. In this example, you will see that the online payment is equal to the price amount. This means that the full price of the order must be settled in CapriCoins. The 10% cash back that the merchant is giving back to the customer is calculated from the order's price and is equal to 0.5 CapriCoins. The final amount that the merchant will receive for this order will be 4.5 CapriCoins. This is calculated by deducting the cash back amount from the total price. To pay for the order, the customer will need to scan the QR code using his CapriPay app. The code can be scanned directly from the screen of the merchant's device, or the merchant can share the QR code with the customer through email or social media. Pressing on the Refresh button will allow the merchant to check whether the order has been paid, canceled, or expired. To create a cash payment order, choose the second option. Here, the merchant can enter the total price of the order and the cash payment amount in his local currency. This will determine the amount of cash and CapriCoins that must be paid to the merchant for the order. When entering the cash payment amount, the online payment field will get calculated automatically. If the order price and cash payment are equal, then the online payment amount would be 0 CapriCoins, meaning that the full price of the order must be handled in cash on the spot. But the customer would still need to transfer the 0 CapriCoins for the transaction to be registered in the system and for the customer to receive the cash back. When creating a cash payment order, the system will check the merchant's account to determine whether there is sufficient coin balance to cover the cost of the cash back. If there are not enough coins in the account, then the system will not allow the merchant to create a cash payment order. If there is sufficient coin balance on the merchant's coin account, then the order would get created and the cash back amount would get reserved from the merchant's account. If the order expires or gets canceled, then the reserved cash back amount will be returned to the merchant's account. Once the order is created, it's best to double-check all of the details before sharing the order QR code with the customer. In this example, the total price is 20 euros. The cash payment is set to 10 euros, and the leftover amount was calculated at 10 euros. This means that the merchant should receive 10 euros from the customer directly and 10 euros worth of CapriCoins through the CapriPay system. The order will be marked as completed as soon as the online payment has been paid by the customer. This is why it's suggested that the cash payment is settled before the online payment. To create a new customer order, choose the third option. Here, the merchant can enter the total price of the order in his local currency, then enter the email address of the customer where the cashback will be sent to. Before using this option, the merchant must remember that the full order price must be settled in cash. The customer must provide his email to receive the cash back. The merchant must have sufficient coin balance on his account to cover the cash back, otherwise the system will not allow to create the order. Once the order is created, the merchant can cancel or complete the order. By pressing Cancel, the order will return the deducted cash back amount to the merchant's account. By pressing Complete, the order will be marked as completed in the system, and the cash back will be sent to the customer's email. This concludes part 4 of our CapriPay app tutorial. Make sure to check out our other videos, our FAQ section, And if you do have any more questions, feel free to contact our support team. Thanks for watching.